More children in the Middle East and North Africa are going to school than ever before, especially primary school. In two-thirds of countries, out-of-school rates for primary children have dropped by half or more since 2000. But many children of all ages are still missing out. These include 4.3 million children of primary school age, 2.9 million children of lower secondary school age, and 5.1 million children of pre-primary school age, reaching a total of 12.3 million out-of-school children in our region. Region-wide, the problem is not limited just to children not having access to education, but children not staying in school once they are there. Far too many children drop out, especially in lower secondary. These often lack pre-primary education, enter school late, or have had to repeat classes. Who you are makes a big difference to whether you can go to school. Sometimes going to school is simply too expensive, or children need to work to support their families. In Sudan, 52% of the poorest children at primary age are out of school, compared to 4% of the richest children. Despite improvements, gender parity in MENA is among the worst in the world. Negative social norms, safety issues, and early marriage in most countries keep many girls out of school. In Yemen and Iraq, gender disparity is particularly high. Girls are more likely to be out of school as the education level rises. However, when girls enter school at lower secondary, they have more chance to stay in school than boys. Children living in rural areas are also less likely to have access to education. In Sudan and Yemen, 1 in 3 rural children, compared to fewer than 1 in 5 urban children, are out of school. Low-quality education also pushes children out. Conflict has a devastating effect on children's education. Millions have been forced from their homes and countless schools have been destroyed. Since 2012, almost 3 million children from Syria and Iraq have been forced out of school due to armed conflict. This brings the number of out-of-school children in MENA up to a staggering 15 million. Now we know which children are out of school and why. What are we going to do about it? We'd like to propose the following actions. Enhance school environment and the capacity and role of teachers with a focus on targeting marginalized groups. Promote rights for girls through employing female teachers as positive role models and extensive community mobilization to address negative social norms and help delay teen marriage. Increase the provision of pre-primary education and advocate for the benefits of investing in the field of early childhood development. Collaborate with ministries from health, child protection, and welfare, as well as with NGOs to enhance the quality of education provision and make investments more cost-effective. Adopt flexible approaches for the education needs of conflict-affected children and ensure sufficient funding for education in emergencies. Working together, we can improve access to quality education